Yeah, so it seems we're going all the way down to that forest that we could see from the viewpoint up there. Okay, sendero completo. You see, now we have a first sign. So let's go the sendero completo. No, but actually it brings us back, I think. Yeah, okay, doesn't matter, let's go. Yeah, I think that's actually the crossroads. It's actually the crossroads. I want to go there to the left because I remember the map. Actually, the roughest one was the one on the left, I think. So let's go there because I've started at the wrong point basically.